Hi everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make the card wallet that you can click right on your handbag, or you can click on your keychain or whatever you want to click on. I have two midway interfaces right here. The side is 3 and 3/4 of an inch by 6 and a quarter. I also cut two fabric right here, one main side and one lining, and the size of this is 4.5 inches by 7 inches. Iron on each of the interfacing on the lining and the main. Make sure you iron on each of this. This is the body of the wallet, and the next one I have is the card slot. This card slot I have two interfacing, and the size is 3 and 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches, and I have two. I also cut two main fabric for the card slot, and the size is 4.5 inches by 6 inches long. You go on to iron on each of the main fabric right here. This is the flap. The flap here I cut 1.5 inch by 3 inches long midway interfacing. I also cut fabric right here. This is 2 inches by 4, and you go on to place on the fabric. Iron this. This is small because I have the clip right here. This is the small one, and the size of this is 1.5 inches by 5 inches, and I fold it in half, and I fold in half again, and I fold and I fold and I fold it again. And when you sew, you're gonna place this in here. I'm gonna show you here when I go on the sewing machine. So everyone, after I ironed in here, this the flap, you go on to sew from here all the way down to here, and with the pockets right here, this is two pockets, and this is the back and the front of the body, the wallet. Just leave that there. And for this one, we're going to fold it in half before we sew it. So let's fold it in half this way. I'm gonna turn this so I can face it to me. 3/4 of an inch on the top, and then on the side same thing, 3/4 of an inch. This is something different, slightly different, not much. And I'm gonna, you can draw the line, you don't draw the line, that's okay too. Okay, and do the same thing down here. You're gonna do the same thing to the other piece. Remember, we have two pockets. Okay, and connect this. I'm gonna fold right on the fold this way. You don't need to iron if you don't want to, just like that. And then I do sewing tutorial, we don't do story time, so we gotta do quick. All right, so after that, after you fold it, you're gonna go right here on this side, push this down evenly like this, and you can see we fold it in this way like this. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side, this side down here. You're gonna hold this right there at the fold, and then you press this in. Take your time. Okay, now I finished this side too. I'm gonna clip this. You're gonna top stitch on this side, top stitch down here, and then go down to here. Do this one exactly the same way. So on this one right here, you go on to sew these two ends together. After I sew the two ends together, I'm gonna press this, and then I'm going to bring this out this way, and then you're going to put everything back where you folded earlier, folding half and then half and half. at this sole line. Make sure you press because we did open and sew, so it okay. And then you're gonna go like this again, pull everything back. You have something like this. You're gonna sew around the outer line this side and then sew the other side. And then when you're done, you're gonna fold this together like this, and then you sew. You can do between half an inch right here so it can stay together. And this is the loop. For everyone, after I sew on this one, so I have to loop little, but it's good for that side of the wallet. And then I also sew on this, so this like okay, and then this side too, and then the little guy right here are done with that. And then this flap right here, flap is optional. If you don't want to make the flap, don't do it. I'm gonna go and trim around. You're gonna go and top stitch around this one, and then for this one of this, I'm gonna go and fold it in half, and so I can mark the top, the center on the top. And I fold this one right here, this little one, fold it in half, and I place this down here. So this can it stay together. Top stitch this one right here, the body of the wallet. This is the center, and this one right in the center. Sew this. After I sew on this and this, I'm gonna place one of this, the fold facing in, the opening facing out. Okay, it's very important to line up everything and make sure it's even. And then this one right here, you also need to face this in, and then the opening face around here. That's how easy it is. You're gonna sew the top one, the side, and the bottom, side, and top. So everyone, after I sew in this one on one side of the lining, just like this. Okay, put it back, put on the side. I bring back the main side of the body. The main side of the body. You know what I mean. I'm gonna fold it in half. Press the center. Going to have the button, but let me just mark the center here. And I'm gonna place it in here. Gonna clip the center. Gonna place right on the center like this to sew this in here. So everyone, after I sewed it flap in here, I'm gonna poke an inch and half right in the center line right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go poke the line like that. I'm gonna add this button on. Check in my description box for this kind of button, everyone. I love this one. Okay, so I'm gonna add one side of the button. That on, and then on this side, I just want to make sure I do the right thing. So it coming in about, I would do half an inch from the sew line right there, right in the center, half an inch in. I'm gonna poke the holes, and I do another side of the button, here, put it down, and then I'm going to add the flap on the right, so facing down. On this side, you're going to leave this space right here. I would say about 2.5 inches open. So fold it here, so all the way down to here, all the way down to here. Leave this open so you can inside out. Everyone, after I sew around and I left it here open, so I'm gonna go and trim this. So on the area here, you can go in between and you're going to trim this like this, so it's not too thick when you inside out. A little thing here. Last time, remember I make the pillow, the cushion? I use this for stuffing inside, so don't throw it away. Okay, now go on this side. Flap this up. This side too. We go on to inside out. And sew this line right here. Sew it back using blind stitch. Very easy to make it, everyone. So I'm gonna share with you what is this for. And so on one side of the wallet you can put your card in here, go all the way in, and then the other side you can put cash or whatever you want. Okay, and then on this side with the little thing right there, I'm going to add this ring I got from Walmart the other day. I share with you, I'll share again, because every time I upload a video I get new subscriber. This one I got it from Walmart with all different color and all different little things for key. Very useful. So I'm gonna go slide in here. The other day when I used this one with my own nail, and the people said, can you use something for not breaking your nail? I'm like, okay. Move this around, everyone, until it go all the way inside of this. There you go, and then you are good. So you can add this one right here, and I have the key. This is for the key. You can add many. I'm just showing you one, okay? You can add more if you want to add more. Click it in here, go to there, and then on this side, gonna click on the key. In that bag, it comes with this, with many of this. So then You put your keys in here. You can add more key. They come with little right here. If you have more key, then you can add more keys in there, okay? But I'm just showing you this one. This one is my spare key. And then when you're done, you close this here. And there you go. You're gonna snap on this side. All done with the mini wallet. You can click this on your handbag like this with the thing that open. You can click it on your handbag, or you can just whatever, click on your jean belt, whatever. Okay, so I'm just giving you an idea. Or you can just hold it like this, or make it longer wrist, the longer one, so you can hold on your hand and with your keys inside. That is so adorable and it's cute. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the people who always come and support my channel and always comment, give me feedback, negative, positive. I take them all. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.